Good morning students. Today in English class we will do Hive English Reader workbook from page number 20 and 21. Let's start. In page number 20 we will fill in the blanks with the sound of the letter A. Here a cat on a mat. A cat is standing on a mat. Now a man in a van. So we will write here van. V-A-N, van. Now here a rat in a hat. So we will write here H-A-T, hat. Now a bag with a tag. So we will write here tag. T-A-G. Now we will do page number 21. In page number 21 we will do fill in the blanks with the sound of the letter E. Here picture of a red bed. Now here a pet in a net. So we will write here small n E-T, net, N-E-T, net. Now, here man in a well. So, we will write here well. W-E-L-L, well. Now, a hen and a egg. So, we will write here E-double-G, egg. Do these 2 pages. Thank you.